Welcome to English in a Minute. A cookie is a sweet baked treat. The word tough can mean hard or strong.
One tough cookie.
Don't tell me you rode your bicycle to work today.
I did. I probably shouldn't have.
You do know it's 18 degrees below freezing, right?
Oh, believe me, I am aware.
You must be one tough cookie.
You say someone is one tough cookie if they can handle difficult situations. These situations may be physically or mentally hard. Someone who is one tough cookie may also be strong-minded and determined to succeed. And that's English in a Minute.